Hello friends, my name is Harshad. Welcome to my YouTube channel I Learn with Harshad. In this video, I will be showing you how to learn any programming language at any time and anywhere. So I will be showing you a mobile application where you can download and learn a Python programming or any programming language at any time and anywhere. So let's get started. In your mobile, open a Play Store. Here you can find Play Store. Now search with Solo Learn application. So here you can find Solo Learn. Just install it. So after installation, just open the Solo Learn application in your mobile. Here you can find the Solo Learn application. Now click on Get Started. Here you can do sign up with your details or sign in with Facebook or Google. Now you will find this page. Now click on Learn tab. Here you will find there are so many programming languages like Python 3, SQL, machine learning, data science with Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, even a jQuery. There are so many programming languages are available here. Even you can learn a data structure, algorithm. Very useful application. Now I will show you the example with the Python 3 tutorial. So I will be clicking on Python 3 tutorial. Now click on Start Learning Now. Here you will find Welcome to Python. There are two questions, theoretical questions. So we will start with this. Here the answer is also provided, but you need to read first, then you need go for the quiz. Which of this statement is true? So CPython is an implementation of Python. So click on that is the correct answer. So now we will go to next module, your first Python program. So we will write a first Python program. So fill in the blank print. So in Python you need to write a print statement to execute a program. So here the example also given. Here it's printed hello world. In similar way we will print another word. Now print hi, you need to write a print in Python. So now check the statements, it's correct. So this is the perfect code. Here you can run your own code also. Fill in the blanks to output ni. So it is a string. Its example also given how to write. So print. We already learned in the first quiz that print is the very good requirement for the Python to execute a program. So here we write print. Also we need to close the bracket to execute a program. So now check, yeah, this is the correct code. In the similar way we can learn a total Python programming. There are so many modules available for the Python, like a simple operation, floats, other numerical operations, string operation, variable, taking a user input, in place operator, type conversion, Python interpreter, and module 1 quiz. So after completing this all these things, you will get a certification also. So it is very good platform to learn a Python at anywhere and anytime. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.